Hi everybody! In this video I'm gonna tell you about restoring feature in Windows. I am Saeed and you are watching the Key channel. You may want to use this great feature for your computer in two different cases. Case number one is that you have installed an app or a driver on your computer, or you have had some sizable changes in settings of your Windows, but now you feel that the performance of your computer is dramatically decreased. Now we can find an appropriate restore point which is automatically created by Windows itself, and then go backward in time and come back to the point before doing all of these changes in your computer. That's very nice. The case number two is that you are about to install an app or a driver, or you are about to create very large changes in the settings of Windows, but you are unsure about the results. This is a good time to create a restore point manually, and then you can do whatever you want on your computer. If things go wrong, you can use that restore point that you have created and go backward in time and reach to the point before all of those changes. Really, you can have a retreatment. Before starting, I need to mention two important points. Point number one is that restoring your computer will not have any effect on your files and your folders. For example, I download a movie from the internet right now and then restore my computer to a point related to 2 years ago. After starting my computer again, I feel that this is a machine related to 2 years ago, considering its appearance, settings and applications. But that movie that I have downloaded is still exactly there. So you don't need to be concerned about your files and your folders. Point number two is that creating a restore point is a very simple task, and it takes 1 minute or a couple of minutes. That's it. And also, restoring your computer is a super simple task again, but it takes more than 30 minutes. So do it when you have enough time. Now let's start. First, with how to create a restore point manually, and second, how to restore the computer. In the search box, search for restore. Create a restore point. This Windows System Properties is a part of your control panel. Now we are in System Protection tab. As you can see, all of these components are quite necessary for us. System Restore, the partitions, configure and also create buttons. First of all, look at this one. For nearly all computers, Windows is installed on C partition, as you know. The protection should be turned on to be able to use and create restore points for your computer. Now I choose it and then click on configure. If it is not turned on, you need to turn it on. After installation of a fresh Windows, it is disabled by default, so turn it on. And also, you need to consider part of your storage for restore points. For example, for me it is 5%, around 9 gigabytes of C partition. If you need more, you can increase it. It is really important to consider enough space for it. For example, if you want to create 10 restore points in a year, it takes a lot of storage of your computer, so you need to increase it. If you don't do it, every time that you create a restore point, Windows deletes the oldest ones. Click on OK, and now this partition has the capability of restoring. And now I want to create a restore point on this computer, because maybe I want to install a driver on my computer that I'm not quite confident about it. It may create some problems afterwards. So this is quite rational to create a restore point at this moment. click on the partition that you want to make a restore point for it. Then click on Create. Just need to type a name, for example, EX1 or 2, example number 2. Then click on Create. As you see, the restore point was created successfully. Click on Close. Click on OK. Again, search for restore. Now this name sounds slightly strange. Create a restore point. I don't want to create a point. I want to restore my computer. But this is just a name. Click on it. Choose the partition that you want to restore and then click on System Restore. Click on Next. You can see a list of available restore points. Both here are manual from the computer. Example number 2, example number 1 that are created by myself. Always check this box to see more restore points. This one has been created automatically because of an installation of an app on this computer. This one has been created by Windows Automatic Restore Point. All of them have exact time and date. For example, if I want to restore my computer to this point, click on it and then click Next. But here is a really great feature, scan for affected programs. If I click on it, I can see which programs will be affected. This box is showing those that will be deleted after this restoring process. And this shows those that needed to be reinstalled on this computer again. So you see all of the changes here before head. Click on Close. And now click on Next. Here is a confirmation for this restoring. You can check everything again and then click on Finish. Then your computer starts to restore itself. I don't want to do it right now because I am recording this video by this computer. And also remember the fact that the process of restoring the computer takes at least 30 minutes. So do it at a time that you don't need your computer a lot. Thanks for watching this video and I hope that it helped you.